Welcome to this meditation for better sleep. Start finding a comfortable position, maybe laying down on your back. Your knees can be bent at that point, and bring both hands onto your belly. Your palms can be above each other, or your thumbs and index fingers may connect, creating that triangle. Notice your belly rising when you inflate your lungs. Your diaphragm is lowering down, massaging your internal organs, creating movement in your gut. And feel that movement of your hands, just like they are floating on water. Feeling the rhythm of the waves created by your breath. Imagine your diaphragm is a jellyfish. This graceful swimming pattern, lowering down as you inflate your lungs with your inhalation and swimming back up as you exhale slowly, deeply, fully. Our body is made of about 60% of water. So it's normal to experience that connection to the ocean, to the moon. Keep connecting deeply to your breath, slowing down. Bringing your awareness to the soft sound of the air going in and out of your body. And if your mind wanders, with softness and kindness, let the thoughts rise and let them float to the stars. Believe that there's nothing you can change tonight. And what you truly need, it's a good, restful, sleeping night. Where your mind is at ease. Notice your body softening as you keep breathing in and out, slowly, deeply. Perhaps your legs are starting to fall. If they were still bended, extend your legs long. Notice the weight of your body sinking onto your bed. With every breath, feeling more relaxed. Bring one hand onto your chest and keep the other one on your belly. Believe that you deserve a good night of sleep. Feel it in your heart, in your whole body. Relaxing the back of your head, your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, your shoulder blades, your arms, your hands, the upper back, middle back, and lower back fully relax. Your chest, belly, pelvis are all fully relaxed. Your legs, your feet, every part of your body feels relaxed.